Hello guys, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel Divan Institute. I am Firoz Ahmad. If you are on the channel for the first time, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get regular notification of our video. Today we discuss most important question of English pedagogy and language. In this video, please must watch beginning to end. Come to the questions. Here, question number 1, the study of how words combine to form phrase. Phrase combines to from clauses and clauses join to make sentence is known as. Here I have 4 options: syntax, collocation, colloquial, and semantics. Their option is the correct syntax. Syntax is the grammatical structure of sentences, the format in which words and phrases are arranged to create sentence is called syntax. I hope you will understood. Syntax is the grammatical structure of sentences, the format in which words and phrases are arranged to create sentence is called syntax. Come to the question number 2. Question number 2 is English language has consonant sounds. Option have 22, 23, 24 and 21. English language has 26 letter. Everyone know has English language have 26 letter in which consonants are 21 and vowels are 5. But English language has 44. English language has 44 sounds in which 20 vowel sounds and 22 consonants. So option C is the right answer. Come to the question number 3. Question number 3 is say according to National Curriculum Framework 2005 अर्थात means NCF 2005, English in India is dash in a multilingual country. Have 4 options: a foreign language, a global language, an associate language, or a first language. In previously asked question paper, seated considered the best option for English in India is a second language. But in this year, there is no second language option. So English is Indian as a global language in a multilingual country. Listen one more. In previously asked question paper stated, consider the best option for the English in India is as a second language. But in this year, there is so second language option. But so English in India is a global language in a multilingual country. This one option B is the right answer. I hope you will understood. Here, English in India is a global language in the multilingual country. Come to the question number 4. A teacher divides the class in small groups and asks them to discuss and present their views on safe environment. Students are free to plan and present their choice and creativity. The teacher is facilitating them as and when required. Which approach method is followed in the class? Here are 4 options: structural approach, natural approach, deductive approach, and constructivist approach. Here, option is the right answer. Constructivist approach is the following 4 statements of the vitality important for the constructivist approach. I take previous videos like this question. Here, learning is a personal interpretation of word. Learning is an active process in which meaning is developed on the basis of experience. Learning should be situated in reality settings. Testing should be integrated with the task and not a separate activity. I hope you will understood. Here option D is the right answer. Come to the question number 5. A class of 4 bought some interesting books and distributed them among the students. Then she said, "Today let's have fun and read these books for our pleasure." This reading is called. Have four options: post reading, intensive reading, extensive reading, and pre-reading. Here option C is the right answer. Extensive reading. Extensive reading involve reading text for enjoyment and to develop general reading skills. It is called free reading, book float, and reading for pleasure in way of language learning. I hope you will understood. Come to the question number 6. A 2.5-year-old child picks up his sibling books and looking at the picture tell a story. The child is what? He immigrate. Have four options: emergent students, emergent reader, emergent story writer, emergent writer. Here option B is the right answer. Emergent reader. Emergent reader means a children begin to understand that writing is form of the communication. He connects with reading and writing of books simultaneously. Children from the idea to see the pictures mostly. I hope you understood. I explain one more. Emergent reader means a children begin to understand that writing is form of communication. He connect with reading and writing of books simultaneously. Children from the idea to see the pictures mostly. I hope you will understood here. Option B is the right answer. Come to the question number 7. A teacher of class 3rd. A teacher of class 3rd finds that some students understand the concept more clearly when she explains them orally. Their learning style is. Here I have four options: visual, kinesthetic, aesthetics, and auditory. Here option D is the right answer. Auditory. Auditory learners are those who learn best thought. Auditory learners are those who learn best thought. Hearing things. Here students understand the concept more clearly when teacher explains them orally. So their learning style is auditory. Hence option D is the right answer. Come to the question number 8. A teacher asks the students to read the text for information and create their own interpretation beyond the literal level. Which sub-skill is the practicing in the class? Have four options: predicting, inferring, summarizing, paraphrasing. Here option B is the right answer. Paraphrasing. Here option B is the right answer. Inferring. Inferring sub-skill is to form of opinion or decide the information you have. So here teacher asks the student to read the text for information and create their own interpretation beyond the literal level. So inferring sub-skill is to form of opinion the information you have. Hence option B is the right answer. Come to the question number 9. Storytelling and listening. Two stories play an important role because storytelling and listening to stories play an important role because stories have four options: use many structure of grammar and help children to learn them. Option B, present language as a whole. Option C, help the teacher to maintain classroom discipline. Option D, help to teach and learn new and difficult words. Hence, option B is the right answer. Present language as a whole. Story plays an important role in education as they enormously improve reading, listening comprehension, and other skills. Also, stories are motivating and help to develop skills like speaking, reading, listening, and writing. LSRW and oral interaction toward the language learning. They can even create a desire to continue learning. Hence, option B is the right answer. Come to the question number 10. Before starting a new chapter on the honest woodcutter, the teacher started a discussion with the students on honesty. What is the teacher trying to achieve with the activity? Have four options. Activate student skills. Activate students' previous knowledge. Assess students' level of language and its uses. Activate students' attention. Here, the teacher trying to achieve with the activity. Active students' previous knowledge. Active students' previous knowledge. Hence, option B is the right answer. Come to the question number 11. A child got admission to a new school. The teacher was surprised to see that she would speak four languages fluently but could not speak in English. She is a have four options: bilingual, multilingual, linguistic, or monolingual. Here option B is the right answer. Multilingual. Multilingual means who speaks more than one language. Multilingual means who speaks more than one language. More than one language. And bilingual means who speak two languages. Bilingual means only two languages. Linguistic, it is the study of language. Linguistic, it is the study of language. It is the study of language which involve analysis language from language meaning and language in the context. And monolingual text dictionary as conversation written by as conduct in only one language only one language is used. It means in the options, option B is the correct answer. Multilingual language means who speaks more than one language. So option B is the right answer. Come to the question number 12. A student of class 5 who is reading a chapter finds some difficult and unfamiliar words and is not able to get the meaning of those words he should. I have four options. Ignore or skip word and keep reading. Guess the meaning in content. Ask his classmate. Bury time to help. Ask the teacher. Here option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. The student must be guess the meaning in content. If a student ignore or skip the word and keep reading or ask his classmate every time to help or ask the teacher, it firstly breaks in the fluency. Hence option B is the right answer. Come to the question number 13. A teacher of class 5 wishes to read a complex language structure from the syllabus. She should. A teacher of class 5 wishes to teach a complex language structure from the syllabus. She should have four options. Not teach to complex structure and avoid it. Focus on listening, speaking, practice instead of teaching grammar. Option C. Use a grammar game with a focus on the complex structure. Option D. Ask students to memorize the rules. NC of 2005 is said that no memorize. Here option D is the wrong. See first option. then choose what is the best option for you. Not to the complete structure in the avoid it. Avoid it is already wrong. You have only two options, B and C. Focus on listening, speaking, practice instead of teaching of grammar. Use a grammar game with the focus on his complex structure. Hence, option C is the right. In the teaching reading process, teaching learning process, active participation always reinforced students, learners to focus on learning, and it helps students to learn excessively and clearly. So she should use a grammar game with a focus on this complex structure. Hence option C is the right answer. Come to the question number 14. As per Noam Chomsky's theory, the role of language acquisition device means LAD help children to have four options: communicate activity in second language, generate grammar rules, imitate the language spoken by adults. Option D, learn second language easily. If he discuss the Noam Chomsky, everyone knows that Noam Chomsky is the father of the modern English grammar. Since options first wrong, third wrong, and fourth wrong, he generated grammar rules. Only grammar rules. Noam Chomsky is the father of modern English grammar. Language acquisition device LAD first proposed by Noam Chomsky in 1960s. When? In 1960s, the LAD concept is the intellective mental capacity which enables the infant, the acquire, and the produce language. LAD is the innate biological ability of humans and acquire the development language. It also helps to generate grammar rules. Come to the question number 15. Which of the following statements is correct? Which is the following statement is correct? Have four options. It is difficult to teach English as they use their first language in every aspect and ignore English. Option B. As a teacher, you would like to give a list of English words on the very first day. I hope ignore is the wrong. This one wrong. You have two options. Children come to school with treasure of experience and they are in learning language. And option D, children first language is the hurdle in learning English. Option D is the wrong, option B is the wrong. Here option C is the right answer. National Curriculum Framework 2005 policy focused on mainly education as learning without burden and mother tongue as a source language. It focused on rural schools as well as mother tongue from which learners acquire. Such more children come to school with a treasure of experience and mother tongue acts like a resource language. The multilingual character should be seen as a resource to promote multilingual proficiency in every child, which includes proficiency in English according to YANSI of 2005. I hope you will understood all question and their answer. If you like our video, then subscribe, share, comment and like. If you want find all PDF files for our videos, then subscribe our Telenor channel Diwan Institute, A Path of Success. Thank you very much to see the videos.